What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Find the area of the rhombus below. Rhombus is a special type of a quadrilateral, and we got 30 degrees for this angle, 10 feet for this length, and that's it. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play, and I'll give you the explanation. So when you take geometry, what you're going to realize about a rhombus, first of all, is that the diagonals are perpendicular, right? So these are all 90-degree angles. That's one thing. The second thing is that the diagonals bisect each other. So this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. That means this down here is also 10 feet. On top of that, the angles opposite from each other are equals. That is equal to this as well. So all that information is really useful. The last piece of information that's great as well is that these angles are bisected. So this is 30 down here. And since that's a right angle, this is going to be 60 up here. And what's important about that is this is a 30, 60, 90 right triangle, a special right triangle. So from the angle information, we can figure out the other length of the diagonal. Now, the reason why that's important is because the area of a rhombus can be found by this formula, 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2, right? So we got the two diagonals, we multiply them, take half of that, and we get the area. If you ever forget this formula, the other way you can calculate area is you can calculate the area of one of these right triangles, right, based on height divided by 2, and then multiply that by 4, and you've got the full rhombus. But we're going to do it the classic way. First of all, being a 30, 60, 90, if this side up here is 10, this side here on the outside, not that we need it, but the hypotenuse is double the little side, the little leg, and this side down here is going to be this 10 times radical 3, so 10 square root 3. That means the full diagonal in blue is 20 rad 3. That means the full diagonal in red is 10 plus 10, which is 20. And then taking half of this will give us our area. So 20 times 20 is 400 rad 3, divided by 2 is 200 rad 3. And of course, the units are feet squared, and that's how you do it. Done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. See you in the next video. Take it easy.